Review 5 gloves altogether. It'll be easier that way. You can say all the things they have in common, like how they're all light duty impact knits. Except, aren't they now medium duty? And don't forget the new gloves and the new features and what's that? The new Cut A9. Really? Really? A Cut A9? I mean, is that even possible? Yeah? Okay, sure. 5 gloves. Let's do it. Hey everyone, it's Pete from Ironclad, and here they are, the latest 5 light, medium duty knit cut impact gloves. That's KCI range. KCI range. You already know this one, it's the 2PU, which I reviewed earlier and I'll put that up here. And you can see it has the same look and the same TPR as nearly all of these up here. Well, with the exception of this little piggy. But hey, in this review, I said this TPR was an ANSI Level 1, but we were being ultra conservative when we brought this glove out. And since then, we've retested it many, many times. And now all of these with this TPR are an ANSI Level 2 impact. So all future packaging is now ANSI Level 2, and even older stock actually rate at Level 2. Obviously, we can't go back and change those labels, but they all do reach over Level 2. And I can't tell you how good these feel for a Level 2 impact rating. They're just so light and dexterous. Oh, and the other main thing they have is our command-infused touchscreen technology. So each of these 5 gloves is fully touchscreen. So there you go. That's the common stuff. The TPR of these 4 is all ANSI Level 2. And this little piggy ran all the way to his ANSI Level 1 impact home. KCI 2PU, lightweight, amazing dexterity, polyurethane palm, superior all-round grip. Did I say dexterous? Fiddly jobs, ANSI Cut A2, green thumb saddle, really great little glove. KCI 3PU, very similar, slightly higher Cut A3, abrasion 3, reflective fingertips and logo, same polyurethane palm, same grip, yellow thumb saddle for the slightly higher cut resistance. KCI 5FN, ANSI Cut A6, foam nitrile with nitrile dots for grip, lower profile TPR, ANSI Level 1 impact, great for scaffolding and gripping pipes and tubes with maneuverability but still giving impact protection. Red thumb saddle, obviously different color TPR because it's that lower profile TPR. Really cool glove though. KCI 5SN, ANSI Cut A6, EN 4X42EP, foam nitrile palm, sandy finish, great for grip in slippery conditions, back up to that ANSI Level 2 protection and a red thumb saddle for the higher cut level. This HPPE steel blend knit really is a great balance for cut resistance and dexterity. This is a great glove. Whew, I think I need a break. Okay, so we're okay to tell them? You sure? Okay, A9, ready? Okay. Okay, this last one is a doozy. The all-new KCI 9PU. I mean, yowzers, Cut A9. These are so new, I had to get this off the production line and get it okayed before they shipped. But they're on the water and they're due in very, very soon. So, polyurethane palm, just like the 2 and 3PU, EN 388 4X43FP. So that's an ANSI Cut A9, puncture 4, abrasion 4, and the same ANSI Level 2 impact rating on the back of the hand. I can't tell you how flexible this is. I mean, it feels like the 2PU or the 3PU, but in a Cut 9. I mean, honestly, you have to try this glove. I think it's my new fave from Ironclad. I'm definitely going to take it and try it on the farm. Dexterity, cut resistance, and price point. Heck yeah. Hey, one last thing you might not have realized about these current range of TPRs. They all have fluorescent TPR. Let me turn the lights off and I'll just show you what that's like. Okay, let me show you here. Here's a Kong Original, just boring old blue light, right? Kong Original, there you go, you can see. That TPR is just normal. And here is one of these guys. You get what I'm saying? It's extremely fluorescent, right? How cool is that? Oh, that's just a little fun fact for you. All right, I've taken up enough of your time. Here's our contact details. Please reach out, call, email, telex, fax, carrier pigeon, camel. Okay, that's enough. Bye for now. Camel? Really? That's what you thought of, Pete?